हेलो अंजलि।
हाय दी।
ये बता, ईसानी लागता जणू ब्याह सा निमट गया हो घर में। ये 3 दिन क्यों कर बीत गए बेरा ही नहीं पाटा। और तू बता, तक नहीं के मैं मजा वियतनाम में बैठे बैठे।
दीदी घणे मजे आ गए और मन ने तो न्यू सोची थी अक मजे आवेंगे, पर मैंने नू ना बेरा था अक मजा का गल गल इतने एंडी एंडी सीनियर या तो बात करन न मिल जागी। मन ने तो बस सारे के नाम देखे थे बोर्ड पे, सब ने इतना बढ़िया कर रखा है तो मैं तो देख के इंस्पायर हो ही जाया करती, पर आई गोट इंस्पायर्ड वंस अगेन।
बिल्कुल ठीक बात कैसे बेबे। This event was much more than just an alumni meet. It was full of unlimited fun, masti, meaningful and great interactions with our really inspiring seniors. It was an incredible reunion of alumni, students, faculty, and staff members.
And with this, the grand celebration of the virtual X-Rise Day comes to an end. I'm amazed by the enthusiasm everybody exhibited to make this show a huge success. During this challenging time, all the RISE have shown and reinforced the true character of our school community.
True, Anjali. They say that it's gratitude that makes the world go around. And rightly so. There are a lot of thank yous waiting to be sent across before the goodbyes. But before that, also, let's enjoy an awesome video of the Reist, by the Reist, and for the Reist called 2020, the year that it was.
I love you all, everybody from Rai, and I'm so happy that we made through this year, which was a tough year for all of us.
2020 was a great learning experience. We became closer to our friends, families, and all the RISE also became closer. And we bonded so well, we danced together. And hopefully we will come out of this 2020 smarter than before.
2020 started off with a bang. One great thing that happened was I always used to run to Delhi, to meet all my friends there from Rai. And with this online format that Sonam has so beautifully curated, I get to meet all of you online, see so many of your achievements, and feel so super proud. So I'm really enjoying 2020.
I think Rai, as I'm saying, it's an outstanding Astabala, an outstanding institution. जब घोड़ा बदलने की बात छोड़ो, यहाँ तो गधों को घोड़ा बना दिया यार. So I think so it's.
I just thought कि चलो देख लेते हैं, दे के आ जाते हैं, and I was selected, and then the journey goes on.
And the rest is history. Absolutely amazing.
You know what? One of the best things about this program for me is to know that our men from Rai, treat their women so well.
And through your journeys, we will endeavor to touch base with each and every one of your classmates, your teachers and staff at school, your army course-mates, your parents, families.
The Mumbai chapter, headed by Ravi Nandalvia, welcomes and invites all Rai.
My first crush happened in Rai, and very strong friendship with the person till now. He's a part of our, my guest list for my family functions. I think we've just grown with it.
Thank you so much, guys. That is so sweet. But if you think saying nice things about us will get you off the hook and we will not ask you tough questions, that is not happening. And you guys, you are amazing to watch. Such a treat. Like I've been mesmerized for the past 1 hour.
I opened my clinic. छोटे से garage में खोला. मेरे पास कोई पैसा नहीं था. So in those years, nobody would want to come to me. क्योंकि जो लोग सोचते थे वैद्य कोई बुढ़ा आदमी होता है.
Went and you've gone to Spain and South Africa, and you've gone into these deep waters with all kind of foreign people from amazingly strange cultures. Did you come across any cultural barriers that you had to address?
मीठे बोलने वाले की मिर्ची बिक जाती है, कड़वे बोलने वाले की मिठाई भी नहीं बिकती. तो मेरी एक पोयम है जो उनके उस कथन से रिलेटेड है. अगर आपको इजाजत है तो मैं सुना दूं. तो लड़ बैठे मिलकर एक दिन चाकू खंजर और तलवार. मुद्दा था कौन करता सबसे ज्यादा गहरा. चाकू करने के लिए सबसे गहरा वार कौन करता है. गुत्थम गुत्थी धूम धड़ाका साबित करने पर तुले थे किसका घाव सबसे कड़ा का. दूर बैठे मंद मंद मुस्कुरा रहे थे शब्द और जुबान. मानो कह रहे हो पगलों कितना भी लड़ लो, दिए हुए घाव तुम्हारे मरहम पट्टी से भर जाते हैं, हम जब छोड़ते हैं तीर तो रिश्ते चीर हो जाते हैं, क्यों लड़ते हो ऐसी जंग जो जीत ही ना पाओगे, पगलों नुकसान हम करते हैं, खाक तुम कर पाओगे.
Hence, I reached that national level. I worked hard as a doctor and tried to become a renowned one. I hope I succeeded in that. I worked hard as a police officer.
And Rai, through your sports training, you kind of learn to perform the day when it matters. So I think that's why your Rai training helped. And कि इन्होंने सारे स्कूल के जितने भी अंक थे वो ये अकेले ले गए और इन्होंने पूरा हरियाणा में इन्होंने टॉप किया, और न सिर्फ टॉप किया बल्कि गवर्नर्स गोल्ड मेडल भी इनको 12वीं क्लास में हरियाणा बोर्ड टॉप करने के लिए मिला.
हमें भी राई जो है बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारा है.
Used to sleep in your room, remember? Ma'am,
Poonam Babu ma'am is the most talkative.
Where are you now? मैं बहुत excited हूँ देखिए सबको. Where are you?
But पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि ये हिंदी का रोमांस और इंग्लिश के रोमांस में कुछ फर्क होता है क्या? And एकदम genuine आंसर चाहिए. If given the choice, would you want to be the next era president? Nilesh?
Yes.
Thank you.
And now इस दौर में पता चल रहा है कि best things to do is go digital.
Lovely, and we learn a lot from your passion. As I always said, your voice is my favorite sound, and I love it. I'm sure by the end of today you would have made a lot of more fans, because everyone's heard you, but nobody's actually seen ki awaaz kiski hai.
I was reading more of spy thrillers in school, like Ken Follett and
of course, there's a lot of
Fawcett and Ludlum and all that. So those used to fascinate me. But yes, post my college, I started freelancing with Times of India.
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है.
कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने देना, दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी, ये कर देगी कमाल, इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे. कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ झुमके. कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रां नु छड्ड के बन ठन के. आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. जय हो, जय हो. आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले. जय हो, जय हो.
Yes, so 2020 started off in a good way, but later became a little different, but taught me new things and taught me something that I've never done before: virtual friends, virtual calling, virtual talking, and homebound activities, which I was never used to. And it's taught me the value of friends and to cherish life, celebrate life, and to love you all more.
It was a year of fitness. It was also a year of connecting, digging out those old contacts and speaking to them. And I hope that I stay connected forever. Thank you.
2020 has given a whole new meaning to life. Don't postpone, don't delay, just live.
The year 2020 was an amazing year for me. It made me realize how blessed I was, and it made me also come close to nature. I devoted a lot of time to fitness, both physical as well as mental. The most important thing, I became so close to a lot of people from Rai, and I was never that active on Facebook page also on Rai. So it was an amazing year for me.
But merely 2020 was like I myself became a multitasking guy. भाई बर्तन धोए, कपड़े धोए, खाना बनाना भी सीख लिया. अब तो भाई कोई टेंशन नहीं है, सब कुछ आ गया. धन्यवाद.
2020 was a great year if we exclude the COVID part.
We doctors got so many gifts in 2020, as in PPE kits, face shields, face masks, etc. I'm just kidding. On the personal front, it was good because I started my new clinical setup. And if I talk about the social front, it was awesome because I got to meet my right friends after a span of 2 decades.
2020, I made very yummy ice creams by name of artist, very different, and I also got a new card.
राइज से मुलाकात के जितने भी एपिसोड्स हैं, I've been able to connect with my juniors, with my seniors, Teachers Day पे टीचर्स के साथ, and keep doing this good work. All the best.
राई ने मेरे को एक चीज सिखाई थी कि do not focus on the problem, focus on the solution.
Hello everyone, it's Sangeeta Sharma from 1998 batch Varna House and from dialing from Melbourne, Australia. Right now, just wanted to say that COVID was really hard. My husband got stuck in India, my dad was here, my mother was back in India and she got really sick. So we got through all this because of our raised abilities and capabilities that we've learned from the school. Thanks to everybody, have a good day.
...2020 in a word, if I have to say, hell. In a sentence, where it moved like a bullock cart, it killed and crushed like a road roller.
The year 2020, being an angel's number, had to bring changes in the world. Good or bad, positive or negative. May all these changes leave us more humble, modest and resilient. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So yes, that indeed was some 2020. And I would say 2020 for me was unique and special too, because it connected me to all of you. I may have been the face of the event. However, something as big as this wouldn't have been possible without so many of you who were with me throughout in this phase over the last 2 months. This is the sweat and hard work of all of you. And I would say, you know, there was not just one team, but there were many teams that were working with me. The strength of each member of a team was the strength of entire era, truly displayed by all of us. And I'm glad that so many of you came out in such strength. Whereas, you know, in every XRISE day, we have around 100, 150 people attending. You'll be glad to know, close to 550 people who were able to attend the XRISE day this year. And I'm absolutely glad to know that. Well, this is an evening about Thanksgiving. And, you know, we've got a lot of people to thank for. So let me just start with the first note of thanks. And yes, while this idea was mine, but, you know, the entire concept of these 3 days, the credit has to go to someone else. So let me start by introducing someone I've known almost my entire life, ever since I joined KNS as an 8 years old. He's my 1990 batchmate, I'm proud to say. He was the head boy while I was the head girl. He was a basketball captain, big time into theater and writing as far as I can remember. After school too, we were in college together at St. Stephen's. We've stayed close ever since. He's lived in New York for the past 2 decades. He's an investment banker, now a high-powered corporate executive in one of the largest media company in the world, NBC Universal. So this person, I would like to share was obviously my first port of, call to figure out how to conceptualize this XRISE Day, what overall theme to evoke for the event, how to describe the events, how to promote these sessions. He definitely has been a true thought partner for me all the way through. All the event names, the descriptions, the posters, the promotions that you see were all his work. Let me invite my friend, Deepak Arya. Deepak, may I please request you to be with us today? Wait, yeah. You can just unmute yourself, Deepak.
Hey, Sonam, how are you?
I'm good. Nice to see you. Thanks for coming.
Long time no speak, except for every day, every night for the past month or so, right?
Absolutely, and I had to kind of drag you here. You've been like so busy. Deepak is never on media, not on any of the WhatsApp groups, not on Facebook. So it was a tough one to drag him here. And ultimately, I guess my big achievement to have you here today on this portal, right, Deepak?
Hey, I have to say, first off, that intro was a wee bit over the top. As we would say in school, gana ghee ghal diya. Can we dial it back a little bit? That would be better. But look, here I am. We've known this forever, and the entire RAI community has realized by now you can't say no to Sonam. So I am here under duress, but here I am.
Good. So Deepak, you've been, you've always been so difficult, right? So I remember all through KNS, you've been like a bane of my existence. You've teased me starting from KNS, but let me say this time around, you've actually come around. You've been very helpful, but on a serious note, I really wanted to, say a big thank you to you for all your help.
Really? That was a cheap shot. You're using this forum to air all the dirty laundry, but look, well, I appreciate it. So let's memorialize this. Let's consider this payback for everything you've accused me of forever, for all the historical wrongs. And can we say let's wipe the slate clean?
Yes, and it's a big slate indeed, right? So let me show my audience, Deepak, a little bit of what I'm talking about, and a little bit of all the work that you had done. So let me just share this with them. So quickly taking you through, I'll just, So these are some of the work that we done and how we started. So this was the inauguration ceremony. We then thought of doing Mishra Highway. And Deepak, you want to talk about how you thought about Mishra Highway? How did this come about?
Sure. In general, I think first it was important to get the overall reunion theme set, which we did with Relive, Reconnect, Renew. Think all of us could do with that cocktail, especially this year. And then we organized the 3 days around those tags. And then when you described to me all the events you were thinking of, I was trying to find a way to just sort of figure out a connective tissue between all the events. And I could think of nothing better than our school routine to organize this around and use that rubric to frame all our sessions, and things just kind of fell into place.
Yes, absolutely. So Mishra Highway, of course, was a good one, and then there was this Haryanvi McCall, the extra drill, then English dinner. Let me tell everyone, so this was like, Arya, you were so bullish on it that we have to do it. So this was another interesting one. Then the rouser whistle in the morning, coming to the morning assembly. And yes, this one, the class time, sports time, prep time. So like we go, with our schedule. So this went on to that. And I think this, Deepak, is my favorite one. And I would say this line has been, all the swimming girls really loved it. these mermaids are equally adept at making their way through water and wine. So how did this come through? When I showed you a clip of the video, was it that?
Yeah, what can I say? With a sorority as colorful as our swimming girls, the script practically writes itself. I did have some tangential insight into their world, and I was just having some fun with it. As were they, by the way. If you saw the session, they were clearly having a lot of fun.
Absolutely. So this was the extra period. Then some other ones are leaderboards, Chiri Miri Dhoom Dharaka, and which house will win, the fun zone, the lights out finally, and then of course these agendas. So that was all the hard work, and I would say, Deepak, you've been like absolutely demanding, perfectionist. So while people are scared of me, but let me tell you, I was very scared of you. And one thing that he drilled me was this extra drill ka spelling was like, instead of a double L, there was a single L. The agency wouldn't change it. They took some time. And every morning, after that 24 hours, he would get drill ka spelling theek hua ya wo nahi hua. So yes, you gave me a hard time, but thank you very much, Deepak, for all your help and the...
Well, no half measures, as we say, Sonam. If you're in, you're all in. You can blame the school for that. As Ma'am Prabhas and Mr. Lewis's student, remember the list of 100 common mistakes and the consequences that followed if you made one?
Absolutely, absolutely.
But switching gears, can I make a quick observation? It's clearly amazing to see what you've done for ERA this year, and how you've turned adversity into an opportunity, the blood, sweat, tears you've put into the enterprise. But what folks might not know is you were not always like this. If I take you back a little bit in time, as a head girl, if I remember correctly, you were a bit of a slacker. And
I didn't call you to tell that on the show, right, Deepak?
I have to. You started it. But as head boy, I ended up doing most of the heavy lifting. Am I correct? Will you admit to that?
You're right, because the head boy was so efficient, so I could kind of relax. But roles have been reversed now, right?
Right. No. I like this change. It's you being in the driver's seat. It was fun riding shotgun, But all kidding aside, I should thank you for letting me be a small part of this huge endeavor. Took me back to the school days and the joys of working as a team to pull together an event, experiencing once again that unique magic that only happens behind the scenes. So great to have been a partner in crime with you on this.
Thanks for being with us, Deepak. Just stay on till we call the Haryanvi team, and I think let's take our viewers through that voice once again, which you heard all through these 3 days. I guess ek baar aur sunna to last time banta hai. And this voice, of course, is none other than our Rishi Rana Bhardwaj. So let me just share that audio clip with you once.
Welcome to all our respected teachers and RISEs to the first ever virtual X-Rise Day 2020. X-Rise Day is all about celebrating this wonderful institution that allowed so many of us to grow wings and learn to fly. Go down memory lane. I'm sure you'll remember that prank you played on your classmates, or the notes that were passed in secret, or even the exhilaration of representing our school in multiple fields. So sit back and enjoy 3 full days of nostalgia, fun-filled activities, and getting back in touch with the child in you.
So there it is. Okay, so now my next, round of thank you comes to the lovely team, the Haryanvi McCall team, who did a great job. So please may I request Jaipal, Arun Rathi, Narendra Dalal, Yogender Huda, Dinesh Chauhan, Rajiv Daya sir. If you're there to please come, switch on your videos. We would just like to say a note of thanks to you. Hey, that's nice to see you, Rathi. Nice to see you, Narendra.
राम Just I was driving. आपका हुक्म है प्रधान जी तो एकदम से प्रकट हो गए हनुमान की तरह.
I guess
Hi, Sonam.
we had a great time. So Narinder, how was your?
We thank you. देखो, it was wonderful. और सबसे बड़ी बात तो क्या है सोनम की, everybody was outstanding in school. You recognized because I was always outstanding. Spelling में संधि विच्छेद था मेरे में. मैं क्लास के बाहर खड़ा रहता था तो I was outstanding. Otherwise, every rest is outstanding.
Absolutely. Good. So joke तो बनना आता ही था, मतलब you had to crack a nice one. So Narendra, are you going to speak in Haryanvi? Are you going to give?
No, crack a nice joke.
I've spoken enough Haryanvi for my life now. I'm not speaking Haryanvi again. You forced me to do it, Sonam, but it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure to be a part of the show, and it was a pleasure to interact with all of you. And as everyone has said it, that you've done a great job throughout the year, and especially to organize this great event.
Deepak,
Congratulations.
thank you for again conceptualizing this. So, when we used to do Rai Se Ek Mulaqat, and that's the time when Deepak gave the idea that you must do a Haryanvi session. Jaipal को पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है, ये हमारे behind the scenes में भी हमने बोला था कि जयपाल को पकड़ना सबसे मुश्किल है. तो, today again he's not here, but that's what.
How about Hudda? Hudda कहाँ है? Hudda
also couldn't make it. So, Rajshri, sir, if you're there, maybe you could come online and we could say thanks to you. And there are two more names I want to say thank you. These were our hidden, stars, jinki dates match nahi ho pai and they couldn't come on the show. And that's Manisha Malik and Neelam from Washington. So both of them started, but ye dono actresses had to back out because of their very busy dates. But thanks to both of you again. Okay, thank you, Rathi. Thanks, Surinder, for joining in.
Okay.
Thank you, Deepak. It's really
Thank you.
Sonam. Thank you. Bye, Deepak.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so coming next is our Mishra Highway team. And, we've done a lot of rounds of practices with them. Rathi, mute kar lo, please. Ye line to bahut common ho gayi, mute kar lo. May I request Mrinalini Di, Harsh Bhanwala sir, Dinesh Huda sir, Chand Bhaiya, Hardeep sir, MP Singh, Narveer sir. If all of you are here today, please, if you could switch on your videos and you could please join us. That's nice to see so many of you. सिर्फ ये सेशन है जो हमने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया एकदम लाइव एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी यू ऑल आर हियर. दिनेश हुडा सर, आई गेस you are there. Let me just give you the permission maybe. Dinesh sir, are you on the call? Okay. Yes. I've unmuted you, sir. Bhanwala sir, I've sent you a request to unmute yourself. Dinesh sir, please unmute yourself. Thanks for joining in, Mrinalini.
Hi.
A pleasure
Hi,
interacting with you, all of you. And just share with us how your experience was.
Starting here?
Yes, starting you.
Okay. So I stepped in when Punita Dees was not well. You remember that? And I got this panic-stricken message from you, help. And that is how it all started. I took it up as a challenge because, frankly, talking in public gives me the biggest jitters. So luckily my knees were hidden. They were knocking badly, but I continued. And the best part was everyone who was there was so interesting. It was so lovely talking to them that the time just sailed by. I didn't even know how it all happened. So starting with Mr. Mishra and the Housemasters and Harsh Bhaiya, Dinesh, all the era presidents, Chand Bhaiya, everyone. So it was a great experience. Thank you so much, Sonam.
Thank you. Chand Bhaiya, you want to say something?
Sonam, wishing you and everybody kudos. You have done extremely well. And in fact, all the seniors, we really feel proud of you all. In fact, maza aa gaya. And as Deepak was saying,
thanks for sharing the journey, sir. Many people didn't know how ERA had started. And I guess this session was one of the most appreciated ones. So, people got to know the journey, and Mr. Mishra, of course, his journey was fantabulous. So thank you.
Great. Salute to you again and everybody.
Thank you. MP sir.
Yeah, so,
ट्रूली सोनम, मैं इसलिए तुम्हारी तारीफ नहीं कर रहा कि आज तारीफ करने की कुछ फॉर्मेलिटी मुझे करनी है। मतलब मुझे इतनी खुशी है, मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि मतलब आपने और आपकी टीम ने सचमुच मतलब एरा क्या कर सकती है। यू गाइज हैव टेकन टू नेक्स्ट लेवल। अभी भी मेरे हिसाब से कि एक्स राइज्ड हम सब लोग हैं, मतलब व्हाट अ ग्रेट ग्रुप दैट वी आर अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, राइट। हमने ना उसका सिर्फ एक टच किया है, छोटा सा एक पोटेंशियल का पार्ट, और तुमने वो वाला काम अभी करके दिखाया मेरे हिसाब से, जो अब तक मुझे नहीं लगता किसी भी एरा टीम ने अभी किया होगा। तो सबसे पहली बात तो मैं आपको बधाई देना चाहता हूँ,
थैंक यू सर,
कि यू स्टक टू योर गट्स। और दूसरी बात ये, जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि जो यंग लोग हैं वो जो चीज़ करके दिखा सकते हैं ना, मतलब यंग मेरे हिसाब से यंग, मतलब आप सब यंग ही हो, तो मतलब मुझे तो बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है। और अभी जो आपने झलकियाँ थोड़ी सी कार्यक्रम की दिखाई, सचमुच मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। और मेरी भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप जैसे लोग और बस डटे रहो। हमने अभी 10% पोटेंशियल भी टच नहीं किया कि राइस्ट अराउंड द वर्ल्ड अगर इकट्ठे हो जाएं, सिनर्जी से हम लोग काम करें, कितने हम मजे कर सकते हैं और कितना हम एक दूसरे की मदद कर सकते हैं और अपने स्कूल की मदद कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू सर,
थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर रियली स्टिकिंग टू योर गट्स एंड डूइंग दिस रियली अ ग्रेट इवेंट। मैं तो नहीं कर सकता था, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ।
थैंक्स। दिनेश सर, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
Sonam, actually, you see what just MP sir said, probably we all really felt. And this was one thing which was closest to my heart. And I had actually been thinking since the very beginning when we started off after we finished school. And we saw it as you went through the whole thing. But I think what MP sir said, probably we were far behind in our, not only the enthusiasm and the thing inside the heart, but also the efforts. And kudos to you. And I can certainly also say, as of now, to Mrinalini also, because she suddenly came on the stage. And probably after you, I say that another part played was excellent by Mrinalini.
Absolutely. You hosted this show so beautifully.
Obviously, your team is par excellence, and I wish it continues. And anybody.
Thank you, sir.
Last thing I want to say is that please don't get carried away by some aberrations that happen in life. They will always be there. Paths are always not as highways as we believe them to be. And all the very best to you, and God bless you. Thank you so much.
Let me, before I give to Bhanwala sir, let me share with all the audience. This practice session was the most difficult because, like everybody says, when our seniors start talking, they just don't stop. So Bhanwala sir, आपको बिल्कुल एक line बोलने का time मिलेगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. He's laughing. You're on mute. You can just unmute for saying one.
He speaks the least. सबसे कम बोलते हैं, उनको तूने warn करा.
हाँ जी sir, over to you.
Hello.
Yes sir, बोलिए.
Well, excellent job done. And by the way, I feel this Zoom thing and virtual thing will continue forever, whether COVID or not COVID, because people all around the world are getting connected through this.
Wonderful.
You can't escape. You are here to stay. Whether you are president or not president,
Zoom calls will continue.
You are not out of the scene.
Absolutely.
God bless you. I still recollect, I met you in Maniksa Center, congratulated you, but of course you have crossed all, whatever we thought. You are a much mature and more confident person than what you were that time. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to the Mishra Highway team. And we now move to the next team. Thanks everyone. If you could please put yourselves on mute and also close your videos. I would now request, so the assembly, the morning assembly was again a very difficult one because, various small little stuff had to be put into the assembly, and there were a huge number of people who worked on that. So may I request, the school song team, if some of you are there today, Dinesh from the G Mem Sab fame, Nidhi, Sonia, Rachna, Shamsher sir, Surender, Suravir, Vandana, Sunil, if all of you are there. Dinesh sir, you can close your video. Do we have the school song team? Anybody who's joined the call today so that we can have you here? You could switch on your videos. Okay. Okay, Surendra's there. Thanks for being there. Thanks, Dinesh. Are you sitting at G Memsa by any chance?
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, absolutely. Thanks. So, it was really, and the background was कि हम बहुत घूमे कि ये school song को कहाँ record करना है, किसी के घर पे करना है, green screen लगानी है, कैसे करना है. And finally, then we said, let's go there. And we didn't know, but he arranged for mics and, there were, lighting was perfect and we were able to do it absolutely bang on. So thank you, both of you. Nidhi?
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for choosing the venue.
Thanks. Hi, Nidhi. So she is the youngest on the block, absolutely enthusiastic and keeps treating everyone with ice creams. And
just once, I couldn't treat you people second time.
No worries. But, a generous thanks to both, to all of you, 3 of you who've joined and representing the school song team. And, thanks to everybody else who was involved. Thank you.
Thank you, Dee.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so the next round of thanks comes definitely for the beautiful dance that we saw. It was a treat to eyes, the prayer dance. May I request Venu, Rashmi, Rinku and Neelu, if you are there, please, if you could switch on your videos. Venu, you can now switch on your video. Wait, let me just send you a request to unmute.
I was dying to say thanks to you.
Yeah, let just everybody unmute themselves. Rashmi, okay. So this is the team that was happy with me, but many of them were very upset with me. So let's just tell the story to everybody. So वो वीडियो बनाने में बहुत confusion हुआ. Horizontal बनानी है, vertical बनानी है, फिर किस dress में बनानी है. So first the entire, Dabas, you were not in the dance team. You can close your video. Okay, so we all first recorded in, we said black chudidar, colored kurtas. तो पहली एक recording पूरी उसमें ही, फिर मजा नहीं आया. Then we said इसको horizontal करते हैं, vertical को ban कर दिया, फिर horizontal में भी कुछ मजा नहीं आया. By that time, Rashmi had gone off to Jaisalmer with her friends. Venu was off in a marriage. Neelu was down with fever and Rinku was busy in her silver jubilee. So that's the story from me. Baki tum log bata sakte ho. Venu, how was your experience?
Well, hi to everyone. First of all, it was an amazing experience. And to tell you frankly, I have not been into many of ERA events for the past many years. But thanks to lockdown, I connected with many friends because of the videos we all did, which were shown. So, but I must say that, yeah, it was, as Sonam is a doer and a motivator, I must say, so suddenly one day she cropped up, let's do an assembly session and Ganesh Vandana. Without thinking what it is, I just said yes. But then I realized I've taken a big headache on myself because I had such a creative team with me, Neelu, Rinku and Rashmi, who had all creative ideas. And then first we started with kurtis and black pajamas. And then she said, "Arey yaar, this is not looking visually good. You put your creative instincts." Then I said, "Yeah, let me back off. Let the juniors do. They'll be more creative." But then you know how Sonam is, like you cannot say no to her. The way she asks you, I'll say you cannot say no to her. So what we did, okay, I said, I'm in a marriage. Arey yaar, marriage se aake you do it. And then in the end, she put a slight teaser to me. Please put your creative instincts into it. And then that sparked me off. I said, ki Sonam ne kuch khaya, so I should do it. So I did a small backdrop, which is still there with me. It was like old Diwali ka saman, which was there with me. I put it. So in half an hour, my room was like a TV serial set. So I sort of liked it. Then I said, okay, let me pick out some dress and closet se jo 10 saal purani Maharashtra se I bought a sari. I thought it won't fit me, but it fit me well. So thanks to my diet and my exercise. So somehow at 12 o'clock, I did the video and I know it was just a one take, no practice, because in this dance, there were lots of mudras, which we had to remember, which I always forget because I just go with the flow of the music. And when I danced, all my rings are coming out, my bangles are coming out. But I said, because it is Ganesh Vandana and I'm doing it with my heart and my soul is into Ganesh Vandana, so I did it. So, but I must thank my lovely team, Rashmi, Rinku, Neelu, who are so junior to me, but I felt like so much connected. And thanks to your youthness which came with this an assembly session. And first and last, I must thank Sonam also, because without you it was not possible. You know, I'm such a laid back person, but it is because of you I'm here. So I'm really happy to be. And still my decoration is the same. I haven't removed it.
You can see that. Thank you.
All of you. God bless you all.
Rashmi?
Yeah, good evening.
Rashmi, before you say anything, I have a video to share with everyone, and let them please have a look at it.
Okay.
So this kind of just shows where Rashmi has been practicing this. So let me just share that with you. My God. We can request Arun to close his video if he doesn't mind.
Actually, this was like, it was actually a journey, Didi. You did everything. You made us do that.
Yeah,
whatever we
that's
did.
true.
And
But actually, ये कैसे किया ये please बता दो, because even in
yeah, I'll share it with you.
other dance also, that is what we did. पीछे patients wait कर रहे हैं and you were like dancing around. तो ये कैसे किया?
Actually, I had to take my staff along with me to do that. And I had to tell the patients, please wait for some time. And I did not take off my mask because it would look very awkward. And they were all like sitting and waiting. And they were, after that, they were, Doctor बहुत अच्छा dance करते हो. But it was actually, because you remember you messaged me, you post a video. I was in my PPE, I could not remove it. So I just did it in that and posted that, I shared that in that group we had that for Vandana. You remember? But actually you are the one who did everything. You made us do that because of your, I don't know, like you have that instinct. You are absolutely wonderful, I should say.
Thanks. Rinku, so you took out time out of your Silver Jubilee celebration. Rinku, yeah.
Yeah, I can now unmute myself. Thank you. Yeah, so for Vandana, I mean, I was so desperate to do only on this song only. You know it. I mean, I really liked this song, and I was insisting on the team that finalized this song only. And I appreciate all of you. You know, you put in hard work, and that's great how it came so well. And I was so particular about the steps. We did a lot of Zoom meetings, but you know, the coordination thing was not happening virtually. I should admit it. So after a lot of efforts, later we decided, okay, let one or two girls perform the most part of it. But that's wonderful work, and hats off to the team. And thank you for choosing my choice of Vandana, Ganesh Vandana. You know, being in Mumbai, I have heard it so much, so it was
Then
like
we all can do together. We can coordinate the steps.
Yeah.
Thanks to the Vandana team. Thanks for joining us today. And Vandana, you joined a little late. We were just thanking everybody for, you know, taking out the time. And, you know,
I really appreciate whatever you've done, Sonam. It was too good. Excellent.
So thank you everyone for joining in. Thanks, Vandana. You can close your videos. Please be on mute.
मेरा रह गया दी 1 मिनट. मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से कुछ ढूंढा है हाँ बोलने के लिए.
Sorry,
चले पहले तो मुझे ठीक करने के लिए थैंक यू. ओके, मैंने बहुत अच्छे से कुछ ढूंढा है. सुनो. किस कदर शुक्रिया करूं उस खुदा का, अल्फाज नहीं मिलते. जिंदगी इतनी खूबसूरत ना होती जो राई वाले दोस्त ना मिलते. थैंक यू सो मच सोनम दी. 2020 में ना आपने सबसे मिलवा दिया, सीनियर्स, जूनियर्स, मेरे अपने बैचमेट, एवरीवन. Do you know what? I was one of the most introvert girl of my class. और अब शायद ज़्यादा open होती जा रही हूँ. Thanks to you.
That's nice.
Thank you so much, Di. Thank you everyone.
Bye. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks comes for. Do we have Mrs. Malhotra here, ma'am? The beautiful, lovely prayer Vandana that ma'am did for us. Ma'am, are you on the call? Because I think we'd seen you joining in. Vandana, you could close your video now. Thanks for joining in. Malhotra ma'am, are you there? Can you switch on your video? If you are there, I can see you. Okay. So, ma'am, you could probably join in, later switch on. Okay, ma'am's there. Wait, ma'am, I'll just unmute you. Thank you, ma'am, for that lovely prayer that you sent to us.
Thank you, Sonam. सारे कार्यक्रम मुझे तो अलौकिक आनंद मिला, असीम साधुवाद, सबको हर क्षेत्र का कार्यक्रम अपूर्व था और मैं यही आशा करती हूँ कि अगले वर्ष इससे भी अच्छा आपके निर्देशन में होगा। मुझे जयशंकर की 4 पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं। इस पथ का उद्देश्य नहीं है शांत भवन में रुक जाना, किंतु पहुंचना उस सीमा तक जिसके आगे राह नहीं है। इस बार आपने असीम राह पार कर ली। इट वॉज रियली हिट शो, रियली। अत्यंत साधुवाद। सबको बहुत बहुत परिश्रम करने के लिए, मेहनत करने के लिए मैं बहुत साधुवाद देती हूँ, धन्यवाद देती हूँ। इतना आनंद आया कि मैं आभार भी प्रकट नहीं कर सकती उन शब्दों में। धन्यवाद सोनम, अनेक अनेक।
Thanks for making our assembly so beautiful, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so the next on the block was, the scholarships that we gave, and there were a lot of people who joined in. So, they do sponsor scholarships, but, since being away, not many of them can attend those functions physically, but we did have, so if we have some, people on the call and they could come on the video, it'll really be nice. Kapoor Singh, Sudhanshu Vats, Sanjay Roparia, Bhavna Koglani, Shashikant, Mohit from 89 batch, Pankaj, Rajesh and Sunil from 94 batch, and Yogendra Kataria. So, if you people are on the call, may I request you to please switch on your video so that we can give you a round of thanks in person. Hello Kapoor Bhaiya, how are you?
Hi Saram, how are you? Just woke up specially for this. You can hear in my voice.
Thank you very much. Sir, वो balloons 1 महीने से लगे हैं या over that, or are these permanent?
Permanent till next graduation ceremony.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
So if we do have anyone else, please switch on your videos. We'd love to see all of you. And thank you, Bhaiya, and to everybody else for joining in. The children especially felt very, very motivated, and I think it was a great session. So
absolutely, the whole program, not the conceptualization from you and then Deepak Arya, but the sessions were like mesmerizing. I had to rewatch the Mishra Highway. I had never heard Mr. Mishra speak before. I'm always been in awe of the MP Singh sir, Banwalas, both Banwalas, Suman Bhushan Garg, all of these guys, Hardeep Diya. I don't think I've met them ever before, but we always have our gratitude for them because they started this, but you have taken it to the next level. So all I can say is it was fun, and it's always nice to be able to contribute something to the RAI community. And the ERA Career Desk you have launched is 2001 batch has done a great job. And hopefully all of us will come together to support it further. Great job.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining in, sir. Thanks a lot. So coming next round of thanks is to, before I say thanks to them, let me just show you a video. Now, this is the highlight of today's evening, a beautifully compiled video of the Laila Majnu of RAI. So while I'm showing the video, may I request all the Laila Majnus to please kind of be ready so that we can call you, you know, once the video is over and everybody is enjoyed. So here it goes, and enjoy it.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ।
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी। कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी।
कहते डरती हो दिल में मरती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो। अरे कहते डरती हो दिल में मरती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो। आंखों आंखों में मुस्कुराती हो, बातों बातों में दिल लुभाती हो, नर्म सांसों की गर्म लहरों से दिल के तारों को गुदगुदाती हो। अरे इन सब बातों का मतलब पूछे तो रंग चेहरे का लाल करती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो।
चुप्पी रही ये क्या कयामत है, आपकी भी अजीब आदत है, इतना हंगामा किस लिए आखिर, प्यार है या कोई मुसीबत है, जब भी मिलते हो जाने तुम क्या क्या उल्टे सीधे सवाल करते हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करते हो।
मस्तियाँ सी फजा पे छाई है, वादियाँ रंग में नहाई है,
नर्म सब्ज पे शौक फूलों ने मखमली चादरें बिछाई है,
छोड़ो शर्माना ऐसे मौसम में, तबीयत क्यों निहाल करती हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करती हो।
जब भी मिलते हो जाने तुम क्या क्या उल्टे सीधे सवाल करते हो, जाने मन तुम कमाल करते हो।
Wow, that was awesome. Can I please have all our heroes and heroines, please? Can we all have you online? Naveen and Amit, Shuchita, Yashdeep, Hema and Rahul, Deepak and Naveen Gupta, Bhavna and Yashwant are of course here. Shalu and Rajiv. So, आज अकेले आना allowed नहीं है शालू. Minakshi Di, Ajay Munjal sir, Kiran Di, Satvir sir, Prerna and Mukesh Gulati sir. May I request all of you to please switch on your videos. Do we have more couples, please, who've joined the joined the call today? Okay. Mukesh Gulati sir, we can only see your background, but not you. Maybe you could just, change your settings and be there on the video. Shalini, you can't be alone today.
Yeah, my husband is traveling. No worries. I can make up.
No worries. Absolutely. Great, great, great. So nice to have all of you. And kya matlab, bilkul rock the show, everybody. Oh,
really? This was the best part.
Oh my God.
I know how difficult it is to get these clips.
Hello, Sonam.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, good. So please tell us how it was. How did I add some romance into your lives or not? Please first tell me this.
Too much.
It was wonderful. He is actually every time he says तुम बोलो तुम बोलो तुम बोलो. सोनम, लेकिन सबसे बढ़िया मजा पता क्या आया? एक वो गाना है ना, जब तुम होगी 55 की और मैं जब तुम होगे 60 साल की और मैं होंगी 55 की, तब भी प्रीत निभाओगे क्या बोलो अपने बचपन की. तो देखो हम भी आज भी ना बचपन की प्रीत निभा रहे हैं. So I think Satbir also agrees with me. It was wonderful. Thank you so much for reliving those Laila Majnu moments of school.
Okay, sir,
We remembered everything.
Thank you.
It was
आपका ठुमका was the best, sir. उस पे हमने special editing करी थी. Ma'am, you look so nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for you made us relive our Laila Majnu and stories and love stories. We remembered so many things.
Prerna,
Thank you so much.
Prerna Di, how was it?
At first we thought, how can we do this all at this point of our age? But then we got enthusiastic and did it.
Great, great. If
Somehow.
we had Rajesh Jain sir and Rekha Jain, if you are there, maybe, please, if you could switch on your video also.
Rekha was the one to inspire us.
Absolutely.
She was always behind us.
Yeah, so both of them were, helped me out on it. And Naveen and Amit, they haven't joined today. Okay. So Shalini?
Yeah.
सुना बहुत लड़ाई हुई डांस करते समय.
Not at all. How some people have two left feet. But my husband danced beautifully, and we've never had this opportunity to dance on these 3 songs especially. And they were highly romantic, and it definitely added to a zing in our marriage. Thank you, Sonam.
Shalini, everybody needs to know कि ये videos तो बन के आ गई है. I mean, there were, like 10 couples, and 10 couples had, imagine, on 3 songs. There were around 60 to 80 videos that came. And the mood में हो गए तो सबने फिर अपनी धड़ाधड़ videos भेजना शुरू किया. And one fine day, Shalini and me sat. She came to my place, and we sat over 5 hours, and she made all these.
This is awesome, Shalu. Yes,
Absolutely
wonderfully done.
Yes, because I think Yashwant and Bhavna, they had already lip synced it. So to match their lips with the song was a little tricky, but we did it.
Yeah.
Hi Sonam.
हाँ, तुम्हारी बारी आएगी, चिंता ना करो अभी.
अच्छा, मैं सोच रहा हूँ भूल मत जाना.
So Bhavna and Yashwant, मतलब ये जो last वाला song था, absolutely amazing. मतलब everybody's like इनका बहुत over exposure हो गया वीडियो में, but we just couldn't help it. It was so nice. भावना कैसे किया? इतना style, इतना move, मतलब how did you add it?
अरे मैं बताता हूँ उसका. I'll let you know. It's very straight.
Let her speak.
Basically, in Rai, what we do is, जो भी अपनी friend या girls बोलती हैं, all that we need to do is to follow it. तो भावना ने पहले से ही किस step पे, किस word पे क्या action करने हैं बता दिया. So like a good Fauji, I got my instructions, I rehearsed, and भाई चलो, and the result is in front of you.
तो प्रैक्टिस करने की थी या मतलब रोज नाइट पार्टी वैसे ही चल रही थी दोनों की? एंड
नहीं, प्रैक्टिस लाइक अ गुड फौजी बिना प्रैक्टिस के नहीं कर सकता भाई. तो खूब प्रैक्टिस की, फिर दिखाया गया पहले कि भाई ये स्टेप है, अप्रूव्ड है नहीं है, तो भावना ने अप्रूव कर दिया. नाउ वी विल गो.
ग्रेट.
देयर आफ्टर वी वेंट, एंड बाकी भावना बताएगी अभी.
बहुत ज्यादा कोई प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ी डेफिनेटली, और बहुत मजा आया. सारे बॉलीवुड के अरमान पूरे हो गए. एंड because they say life has come full circle, because there was a time when we were shooting videos for our children, and now we were coaxing our children कि please हाँ एक ये टेक ले दे, एक वो टेक ले दे, and they were like अरे मम्मी जल्दी करो ना, अरे पापा जल्दी करो ना. And it is very easy कि आप अपने husbands को अपनी उंगलियों पे नचाएं, but it is very difficult to make them dance on the choreography, और वो भी एक जाट को. So but that Fauji thing came in, so we were able to pull it off. Yeah, बड़ा मजा आया. Thank you so much. Thank you Sonam, and thank you everybody.
लग रहा है सही में लैला मुझी बन गए हैं सारे, एटलीस्ट 10 कपल्स का तो कंफर्म्ड है.
I just hope, and I'm going to absolutely grill the other 6 couples who are not. This was not done. I was expecting.
Yes, they need to be scolded.
Anna?
But you taught everybody that have feet will dance. So you are a Shamak fan too.
Rajesh sir, thank you very much for all your help. You're on mute, sir.
Don't forget Mukesh sir's thumkas, Sonam.
Absolutely.
3 thumkas back to back. We had to edit too.
कर दिया.
Lip sync का तो बहुत ही issue था, so but well spent 5 hours, Shalu.
True, it was, you were a fun person.
So, but I think the charm of it was when we started on the batch ambassadors group. Hey, Amit is there. Hi, Amit. Hello.
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Good. How are you? Why are you alone?
Ma'am, actually, I'm in Assam. Naveen is at home, so we are separate. She'll be joining me in next month.
No worries. So, absolutely great job done. Cycling and all, real good concept, huh?
Thank you, ma'am. It's all because of you. और एक मैंने ideas बंगाल भैया से भी लिए थे.
ये ले.
Good. So, Naveen helped us a lot in this.
बिल्कुल मैम, मैं तो कर नहीं पाया.
हाँ.
आपने नवीन को हाईजैक कर लिया फिर.
So basically, I started with him. I thought he is the batch ambassador. ये अच्छे से करेगा. Then I was told कि मैम उनसे बात मत करो, उनकी wife ज़्यादा इंथू हैं. तो I said चलो तुम side पे हो. And I started interacting with wife, and she was like more into अच्छा बताओ क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, sending videos. So by now I've kind of little bit understood the chemistry behind all the couples here.
लेकिन मैम सबसे अच्छा मेरे को डांस लगा किरण मैम का. मतलब बिल्कुल intense.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Naveen. He was all passionate, you know.
बाकी सारे तो प्रैक्टिस करके आए थे, मैम प्रैक्टिस करके नहीं आई थी.
हाँ, बिल्कुल ये सही कह रहे हो भैया आप ना. मैम बिल्कुल ना, मतलब एकदम इंटेंस वो वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी ना, बिल्कुल.
Sorry, everyone.
कहा ना कि बचपन का प्यार है, देखो बचपन में भी चल रहा है. है ना?
Thanks.
So you could feel and see it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this video was the highlight of today's evening, and so glad to have you all with us.
Thank you so much, Sonam. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonam.
Can you stay on, because coming next are the swimming mermaids, and may I request all of you to please join in. Surbhi, Madhu, Ruchika, Shabda.
Unmute कर दे.
Are you all there?
Yeah, Surbhi is there.
So do we have Swati and anybody else?
I saw Aarti.
Yeah, Swati is there.
Aarti, are you there in the call today? वो अगर आ जाएगी तो it will be unbelievable.
Aarti looked live in that video.
Absolutely. So Surbhi, you have to, okay, let me first tell everybody that this was the only group who practiced and rehearsed and rehearsed, and they practiced and rehearsed every day over a glass of wine. So imagine how much wine you guys have had. Over to you. Just tell me how the experience was, Surbhi, and go thoda, spicy ones tell us, please.
It was amazing. It was great. Thanks to you, Sonam, for putting us all together to do this. And what do I say? Some of us in the final take forgot our lines because thoda sa wine zyada ho gaya tha. I'm not saying who, okay? So some people over here don't feel guilty. We practiced so much. So thanks to that, others would, it looked really seamless because others would just come in and say the other person's line, jo talli tha.
But you guys put in a lot of effort. You people put in a lot of effort. I haven't seen any other team, any other of the sessions that we did practice so much, and I guess you had the maximum fun also.
I have to say this. I had seen, the Rai Se Mulaqat and all of that before, And I knew that you're a perfectionist. So for me, when you put it on me, I was like, Danda, sabko aana hi hai, sabko yahi karna hai, and all of that. And it was great to see you. You were so busy with everyone else too, other other programs and everything. But you'd waltz into our call and waltz out and give us your comments. No, do it like this. Thoda sa aur fun karo and things like that.
Nala sir has joined us in the swimming group. Sir, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं तो बोलिए please.
It's that magnetic, you can see, Sonam.
So Shali, how many total glasses of wine over the entire practice round?
I was on Nimbu Pani, by the way. I think my aura is such that people think I'm always high. It's not that way.
Grape juice.
It was
White
simple
grape juice.
Nimbu Pani.
हाँ जी sir, आप mute पे हैं, unmute आ जाइए. And if any of the other participants, at any point of time,
I said you were talking of wine during swimming, so I thought wine was evening time, so I that's why I made my presence felt.
So any of the other participants, by the way, who are there with us, and at any point of time you want to say something, you want to come on the video, please raise your hand. And on the right side on the Zoom, you'll have the setting to raise your hand. Please do that, and we'll call you on the video. And it's kind of an informal session. Please feel free to come and share whatever you want to say. So Swati, wait, let me send you a request. Unmute yourself. Swati, unmute yourself. Yeah.
All right. So, Sonam, I think I have been telling you throughout what a wonderful session this has been, and you must take a bow. Everybody said a lot already, so I won't really say much. But what really happened in this session with the swimming girls, I stay in Pune, and it's very difficult for me to connect physically, but I hope that we'll stay connected, speak to each other a little more often, and I will definitely make an effort to come there for every Extras Day. Yes. So it was wonderful connecting with everybody. Thank you so much. And of course, our session 1, it was so spontaneous that we didn't have to really go for any retakes or pause karo, and we were all in sync, just how we were in our swimming days. So thank you, girls. Thank you, mermaids. And thank you, Sonam, for doing this and putting up a great show. Take a bow.
Okay. So thank you. Thanks for joining in, girls. And I would now, request, do we have Anoop and Sarika on the call? Hi. So do we have Anoop or Sarika if they are there on the call? Okay, no worries. So okay, Sarika's there. So nice to see you. Sarika, hey, thanks for joining in. I've sent you a request to mute yourself.
There's something wrong with my video.
No worries. You could remove,
but thank you very much.
You could remove your virtual background for a bit, no worries.
Just a second.
Okay, I don't think we have Anoop on the call.
Virtual background.
Sarika, see what the video we're waiting. Take your time. So this is a big thanks to Anoop. Yes, Sarika, Anoop and Sarika. And Sarika, you were, not really feeling well, had come out of COVID. Thanks a lot for doing this. And absolutely that you are, right? I mean, your video came to me in one shot, was absolutely perfect, ready to play. I guess from all of us, a big thanks to you for doing this.
Thank you so much, Didi. It was my pleasure, in fact. And I could do something new, some change from the routine life. So it was again, I really enjoyed doing it. Thank you so much for giving me the platform, Didi. I really thankful to you. And you are a star. Actually, you made everything possible.
Most welcome. Thanks, Sarika, from all of us. Thanks for joining in today.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to Anoop as well. Okay, so coming up next is, the Career Desk team, and which was the session was there in the afternoon today. If we do have Aaron, Aarti, Amrita, Ashish, Monica, Gaurav, and the other panel members, on the call, I request you to please switch on your videos. Okay, no worries. So basically, this is the 2001 batch. A note of thanks to you for initiating this career desk. What we did in this session was that we've launched the email ID eracareerdesk@outlook.com, and we shall be, taking this initiative forward. Is just the beginning, and you will hear a lot more on this as we move forward. And coming next is the most happening Silver Jubilee Batch 1995. May I request you to please come online? May I request the Silver Jubilee Batch representatives to please switch on your videos and come? Thanks, Sabaz. Do we have Rinku? Do we have Jyoti? Rinku, do we have Jyoti on the call today?
Yeah, Jyoti is there.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Jyoti. Hi, Dr.
Hi, welcome Jyoti. Welcome Rinku. Thanks for joining in. Before I hand it over to you, let me just play a message for you that has been sent to you for the 95 batch, and have a look.
Hi everyone. I am Mrs. Raj Verma, an ex-senior teacher and ex-headmistress of KNS. I welcome you and congratulate you all on this great celebration of Ex-Rice Day. Certainly, there is nothing more dream-like than seeing you all connected in this relationship. We all indeed are feeling proud of you. I also congratulate to all those students who have completed 25 years after their graduation. Happy Silver Jubilee to the batch of 1995. I wish and pray to God that your bond of relationship strengthens more and more like gold. God bless you. Thank you.
So that was a message for your batch. Thanks for joining in, Kiran.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Most
So
welcome.
nice of
That was so sweet. That was so sweet of ma'am. She used to be our Hindi teacher.
Okay, so there is one more message which I want to play for you. Give me a minute. This comes from another teacher, and he's sent in a message for you. Just give me a sec and I'll play it for you.
तो आज सिल्वर जुबली बैच का जो आज सेलिब्रेशन डे है, उसके लिए मैं अपने सारे 1995 बैच, इसके अलावा जितने भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स के बैचेस मेरे साथ पढ़े, मेरे साथ रहे, उन सब के एक लंबी उम्र के लिए, सुखी और संपन्न जीवन के लिए अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। तो सिल्वर जुबिली बैच के सेलिब्रेशन डे के लिए सोनम दीदी का मुझको ये आदेश आया है, मैं उसको पूरा करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। ये गीत फिल्म मिली का है। जब मैं अपने लिए गाता हूँ तो इसमें थोड़ा चेंज करता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे भी इस बात का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। तो जब मैं आपके लिए गा रहा हूँ तो जो ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग है मैं वही गाने की कोशिश करूँगा। आए तुम याद मुझे, गाने लगी हर धड़कन, खुशबू लाई पवन महका चंदन, आए तुम फिर याद मुझे, गाने लगी हर धड़कन। जिस पल नैनों में सपना तेरा आए, उस पल मौसम पे मेहंदी रच जाए, और तू बन जाए जैसे दुल्हन। आए तुम फिर याद मुझे, आए तुम याद मुझे, गाने लगी हर धड़कन। खुशबू लाई पवन, महका चंदन, आए तुम फिर याद मुझे।
So that was
Thank you
it.
very much.
It was superb. And I was
That
also
was so
feeling
sweet.
it.
That was so sweet.
So over to you. Over to you. Pat.
On the call today as well? Is Mr. Saxena on the call?
No, I don't think he's on the call.
I think it's just recorded and
Yes,
just
yes, this
sent
is recorded.
Okay.
But
I
it's so
just thought
nice.
it took me back because he was the one who first prepared me for the inter-house Hindi debate competition. So it just brought those memories back, seeing him on the screen. Full rendition. So good evening, everyone. I'm again have been asked to represent the batch yet again. A big shout out to all my batchmates. Love you all. Thanks
Absolutely.
everybody for giving us. Thanks everyone for giving us this opportunity. While 2020 has been somewhat of a ambiguous year for most, as we have been saying, it did turn out a little bit of a boon because, work from home and no travels really gave us a lot of time to catch up, for longer duration out after a long time. So, one such friend is Rinku Vats. She was a co-gymnast and left the school in class. And because of Silver Jubilee, we reconnected. When we were just getting all the batchmates together, finding whoever is on FB and then putting them together. And it was such a back because she was the most, enthu cutlet of our batch. You spring one idea and she was all, so we have a small performance for you all to see. One last one before we kind of hand over the baton to the next batch and say at my screen.
Are you sharing something, Jyoti? Just stop it once. Were you sharing something? Jyoti, hi. Jyoti?
Sorry.
Jyoti, it was not sharing and the voice was cracking, so maybe we'll
Okay.
later.
Or do you want me to try again?
The sound was cracking. Give me a minute.
Should I do a stop share?
No, you can share. You can start now.
Let me just attempt. Otherwise, we'll move on.
Just play it now. It will start. We can see it.
Thank you. Thanks for that. So thank you, Jyoti. So before you all leave from here, I guess there is one more video to be played, which is your batch handing over the baton to the 96 batch. So do I have your permission to please play that video? Jyoti, Rinku, Dabas?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, please do.
Okay, let's have a look.
Voice is cracking, Sonam. Can't hear you.
बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है ना छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है ना छूटा गाँव है अब तो हो गया छुट्टी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में कदमों को थामो होश में.
We thank and congratulate 95 batch for conducting all the Silver Jubilee events with full enthusiasm and in an excellent manner. And now, we, the 96 batch, take over the baton from here for hosting the Silver Jubilee celebrations for the year 2021. And we need everybody's blessings. So thank you very much. Bye.
Was the audio not clear?
Thank you so much, Sonam Didi. And in the end, I would like to thank all my batchmates for their time and contribution. And we had such a lovely and great time coordinating, all our virtual celebrations, making videos, sharing our. We enjoyed so many things. And in the end, दो लाइनें दोस्तों के लिए. करना है मुझे सभी को दिल से शुक्रिया. करना है मुझे सभी को दिल से शुक्रिया. धन्यवाद ना किया तो क्या किया. तुम्हें याद ना किया तो क्या किया. धन्यवाद. The class of 1995, please join me. Sing, we are the best. We are the best. Hear us roar. Hear us tight. We are young. We are wild. We are the class of 1995.
Sonam, can we unmute our batchmates?
No, Jyoti, won't be possible. If you switch on the video, then I can. But
my video is on my.
So I have Pratibha with me, Kiran with me, Jyoti, Yogi, Dabas with me. Guys, come on.
No,
we are here now. Yeah, we've been unmuted.
Do we have more people? If you can, show your faces, I think I will immediately know who to unmute.
Yeah. Now it's done.
While
now
we do
done.
that,
I was mute.
A big thanks to Era for our updates. But this did provide a nice interactive platform to reach out to everybody in one go. We loved it. I think if had it not been for the awesome Rice se Mulakat sessions, we could never have envisaged that we could connect in a virtual manner. So that definitely gave us the idea, and Sonam was always available as a sounding board whenever we were planning. So all thanks to Sonam as well. And before we hand over to the batch of 1996, I don't see too many people though, but. And 3 rounds of cheers for the 1995 batch. Hip,
Hooray!
Hip, hooray!
And if you want to please mute yourself while you go into videos, that'll be very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your voice is not clear, Sonamdi.
Okay, I'll just see.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay. May I request you to please close your videos and your audios? Mute yourselves. Thank you. Okay, so the next round of, a note of thanks comes to a lot of other people who worked, behind the scenes, and I would like to take their names. So we had Arjun Jaglani, Brijesh, Dhirendra Malik, who helped us the entire bit on the Martyrs Memorial. Then, of course, a huge round of applause and heartfelt thanks, genuine thanks to all the batch ambassadors for just being there. I guess a lot of moral support. And this group has absolutely been the soul of connecting all of us. You know, every one ambassador from each batch, one message I send and it reaches out to hundreds of you, and a very important role that you're playing. We started the group. I really didn't know how it would pan out, but frankly speaking, you've been my biggest moral support. So I may not be able to call out the names of each 70 of you there on the group, but big thanks to you. The next round of thanks is to a lot of people who sent in their, the welcome videos. So I would just like to, take their names. Vidit Elawat, Ravi Budwar from the middle of the sea. You would wait to get on to the next port, and he said, middle of the sea mein jaake karunga. So thank you. You did a lot for us. Sukriti Malik from Australia, Mrs. Suresh Malhotra, Ashish Mamgen from Hong Kong, Sangeeta Sharma and Rachna Sangwan from Australia, Dinesh Sharma from Canada, Shamsher Sir, Shahrukh Malhotra from Delhi, Deepak and Manvi from Gurgaon, Yashli Daya, Rosie Daya from Sonipat, Mr. and Mrs. Kukreti from Hyderabad, Rinku and Ravi Nandal from Gurgaon, Brijesh, Ramandi, Preeti Saharan from Canada, Surbi, and the beautiful 2 daughters from Bangalore, Silver Jubilee batch, Sandeep Malik for that amazing video, in Hebrew, and Rakesh Dhankar, and a lot of other welcome videos from the Silver Jubilee batch. My apologies if I have missed some name. I tried my best, but this was the most difficult part of it, because we wanted to reach out to every RIST across every place across the globe and have one video, but that's the best we could manage. Thank you, a lot of all of you, for taking out your time. Another note of thanks while we are coming to the close is, you must have seen at the portal, this is to our sponsors. It was an amazing event. Yes, it did cost us a bit, and thank you for all of you for sponsoring. We had India Bulls, talking about Dhani, a product that they wanted to really reach out to everybody. Thanks, Ashwini Vada sir. Chiva Arved, Pratap Chauhan sir, thank you. Sea Comfort Engineering, Rajesh Katyal sir, thank you very much. Anand Orthopedic Center, Himanshu sir, thank you. Anagram Ambacharan sir, thanks a lot. Mumbai chapter, Ravinandar, Rahul, Prachi, and some others who contributed, names I may not have, thank you very much. All the commercial pilots, thank you very, very much. So this was, a lot of them contributed together, got together and contributed. So thank you. Ex-era presidents, they again got together and gave us sponsorship. Hero Motorcorp, thank you, Rajiv Thaya, for getting us that sponsor, which was outside our era community. Really appreciate you for that. Just give me a sec, okay. And IQ, Rajat, and Ajay, thank you very much. Few individual contributors, Sandeep Sangwan sir, Sandeep Gupta, sir, thank you. If again I missed my name, anybody's name, my apologies. Okay, now, second last round, may I please have, okay, before I call them, I guess, let me introduce you to the company who did this entire event for us. This is XP&D, launched in 2019. This is a new age experiential and digital platform. As a people platform, XP&D seeks to harness 2 decades of experience in events and activation. May I request the people who worked round the clock behind this and partnered with us, do we have Jagat and Apurva and Manali with us today? Apurva, please unmute yourselves. Jagat, please unmute yourselves. Thank you, Jagat. Thank you, Apurva. So XP&D drives the change where experiences live beyond events. And truly, yes, this event will live in our minds beyond an event and as an experience. You went to the school, beautifully shot our school, brought it into a complete virtual in front of all of us. We all are in awe looking at that school, especially the pigeon up there, which was moving, the rat. And when there was, kind of buffering me, giving you hard time. How do you feel about it? Apurva, were we a very difficult lot? Jagat, over to you.
Yeah. So first of all, thank you, Sonam and team, for appreciating our efforts and for inviting us to be a part. I would like you to extend your appreciation to my colleagues at Vineet, who is back sitting and streaming this on the auditorium, who were the backbone of this event. Out of the plethora of virtual events we have been doing in this recent times, this event truly stands out. Not because, if I may say, it's one of the first kind of a platform, but due to the amount of efforts and level of detailing that you guys have been putting in from a client's end, which is at times very rare for us. Generally, the client who come to us with an idea and ask sir. But here, when we were first visited by Sonam and Kulvinder sir, I must tell you this, at our office, they exactly knew what they want and what they need. Believe me, what it came out to be was exactly what it was conceived at that first meeting. And as event managers, we have also experienced content has to be the hero. And we put all our forces to get it right. We truly understand and appreciate the efforts and time Sonam and team must have put in creating this content, which was a delight both to stream and watch. I think obviously not the least, I envy you all a lot. I mean, I've started missing my school now, and congratulations to you on completing this event.
Thank you. Apurva?
Yeah, so as Jagat mentioned, this concept of alumni meet was really new for us. although we have been doing these virtual events since a few months now because of this pandemic, but the concept and to make this possible. And a big thank you to you, Sona ma'am, for all your support, and you have been there throughout. And really glad to see that you all are enjoying so much.
Thank you. And on that note, I would also like to thank your entire team who was there with us, and also Mr. Kulwinder Singh Dalal. He's the one who referred you guys to us. So I guess he's not been able to join us today, but on behalf of all the rest, a big thanks to all of them. Thank you. Preeti and Anjali, if you could join, and probably my audio is going a little bad. I'll log off and log in again. If you could join.
The internet connection is bad at Sonam Didi's end right now, so she'll be joining us in a moment. And Anjali, what do you say? What a show it has been.
It was just so great. I was quite nervous, I would say, when I started, and I was like, oh, I almost know nothing. But I was quite hopeful that I'll be able to pull through because I had Sonam Di's and your support, and you have been a pro at everything. But yeah, it was kind of scary when, I think it was a mix of both. I was so excited, like, oh, did Sonam Di just ask me to do this? But on the other side, I was like, do I have to do this? How will I do this? But it was such a great time learning so much and interacting with so many people that I never thought I would. And definitely, I actually learned a lot with you guys. And thank you for having faith in me that I could do this. So.
That's great. You're adorable. And I think meanwhile, Sonam Di is coming back. We can have few comments from the audience without wasting any more time till she comes back.
Yeah,
so,
sure.
People can raise their hands, switch on their videos, and I think Shalini Didi can unmute them one by one till Sonam Di joins us.
Colonel Chand Saroha, let's see what he has to say. So I'll just go over and unmute him.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please come in.
Shalini, wishing you all good luck, and it was a pleasure hearing. I must say the woman power has taken over the era thing. Today participation also was more from the woman force, and indeed thanks to 95 batch and good visit to 96 batch also. And maja aa gaya, to be very frank. It was a real connecting with each one of you. Good visit to everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Rinku Didi is here.
You could just, yes. Rinku, you can share one of your poems with us. I know you write well, and you must be having a little short poem for us for right now.
You need to I'll send her a request, please.
Yes, I'm just doing it. I'm looking for her this thing. Yes, please. Come in, Rinku.
Yeah, hi Shalini, and hi everyone. Hi Preeti, Anjali, and you were amazing, guys. I mean, half the time, switching on to Haryanvi, switching on to English. So it was, lovely seeing you over these 3 days, and I really liked your work and efforts and really hard work you put in, and that's amazing.
Thank you.
I got connected to you guys over our Hindi Divas festival celebrated by Rai, and I wrote some Hindi poems over there, but today I'm not prepared with a nice poem for you guys, so sorry for that. But also we had planned this Haryana Day celebration, and together I enjoyed your dance and submitting my dance performance, and you are too good, and keep it on the good work. Thank you so much. Thank you Shalini.
Thank you, Dee.
If I may request Anjali to say a few words about her English dinner presentation, because it was amazing, and it seemed like you had put in a lot of hard work. So just share one of the recipes about that Thai food.
Thank you so much for appreciating, first of all. So it was very random plan. I didn't plan to do English dinner because we had Haryanvi thing coming up, and I was craving churma. So I made churma that day. But then I saw Vanna Di's picture, and I thought I might never be motivated again to, actually make English dinner for myself. And I work on Saturday and Sunday. So I came home and I was like, oh, what to eat? Let's order something. And then I again logged into the X Rice page, and I was like, Anjali, just stop being lazy and just make this, and I searched some recipes on YouTube and I just started making this. I actually ate dinner at 12:30 a.m. to be honest.
Shalini, you can unmute Pemi.
Oh, sure.
Hello, everybody. Preeti and Anjali, I must say, like I am your fan now. It was amazing. You guys just are phenomenal. I mean, it was so natural. And your Haryanvi to English, to Bebe and to Didi, it was just superb. And Sonam, तुम्हारे लिए तो words ही नहीं है. You have just outdone everything, and you have raised the platform to such level. It's hard to match. You are just matchless. I love you. And it was this virtual tour. I think we should continue doing this because I think we brought in more people together than we could have come, live and be there, but in person. But this has just been like 3 days, morning, evening, night, like it has just been phenomenal. And thank you to everyone who has been behind the scene and doing this. This has been just amazing. No words of, like I have no words to thank you all. It was out of this world. Thank you. And I just feel proud to be part of this.
I will not repeat. I will ditto whatever Pami says.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Copy and paste, especially Preeti and Anjali and of course,
Copying and pasting is not allowed.
and virtual thing is here to stay. Whether we have Corona or not, virtual will be the in thing now. You're right, Pami. I have already sounded Sonam. Whether you are president or not president, you are here to stay. She has to keep us connected.
If I may.
Hi, bhai, Vijay.
Sir, yes, sir. Vijay Jain, sir, please.
Right. In addition to what has already been said, all I say is, आज के जमाने में 3 दिन अपने घर में शादी हो तो आप इकट्ठे कर नहीं सकते हो.
Right.
Today you have been here for 3. This is the 3rd day, and everybody is here almost together, virtually though. So that goes a great
Hi,
way.
Mukesh bhai.
That goes a great way in contributing to the success of the event. And congratulations for all those, especially to all those whose names may not have been heard today and who've been working tirelessly behind the scenes.
Seriously,
My special shout goes to all of them. In whatever manner they may have contributed, please, those faces who have not been seen, accept my biggest congratulations to all of you whom we have not heard. Continue to do a good job. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And once again, just to add to what Vijay sir said, may I as well? Sonam Team X-Rays Association, all the media people who were there to coordinate, the hosts, wonderful hosts, I must say, and the entire team. Really, really great job done. So proud of you all. And like all our seniors as well, they also mentioned, please continue with this. And not only the sir, Banwala sir, ek aur cheez bolunga, not only the yearly thing, we should actually start having it this at least once a quarter, at least on the virtual
batch-wise also.
thing.
It will start batch-wise automatically. Somebody will take it
We
up.
should do that. And along with the regular exercise day, we should also complement that with the virtual as well, sir.
Okay, so
Thank you, Sonam. Great job done, Sonam, once again. Great. So proud of you all.
Over, and we again kind of lose connection. I have to announce the Cockhouse Trophy.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Cheaters. They kept on clicking only. Cheaters.
Went on from Suma to Surya, Indra shuru hua, but then kind of somewhere उनके राजमा चावल शायद खत्म हो गए.
खाने में लग गए थे, कल ही डिस्कस हो चुका है.
So let me just announce the tally of the house scores, and announce the Cockhouse Trophy.
It seems somebody cracked the code and kept on clicking.
Amit, 1 minute, silent. So we have Indra with 2,72,791 points.
Yeah, Indra.
Yes.
Varuna with, and okay, so everybody who please wishes to switch on their videos, and we've got a lot of participants in today. Please, would love to see everybody on the video. Please, there are 43 of us. Then the Varuna house is at 8,76,368.
8 lakhs.
चीटिंग है सर, चीटिंग है, ये सबने बार-बार क्लिक किया है, कुछ गड़बड़ है.
And the Cockhouse Trophy is now between Soma and Surya, and the
सूर्य ने चीटिंग किया है, बैठ के क्लिक किया है.
more people want to come on the video, please.
Chalo, let's be a sport here. Okay, give them, grant them what.
Given sir, अब बोल दिया आपने तो सर given.
Yeah, let's not behave like bad losers. Well done, the winners.
कौन है सर? विनर तो बता दो.
Okay, so I'm being the gracious host, and I'm from Surya. I'm letting go of the trophy to Soma with 9,19,000.
Congratulations to Soma House.
They were slow starters, but they finished well. Yeah, great job.
Those women are toppers all along.
No, I think Soma House really deserved it.
Yes, thank you, Surbi.
Physically,
Preeti, you look like one of the Chak De girls, Chak De India.
Okay, sir. So agar
Sir,
to alag
Somans can get it virtually only, otherwise it's not possible for them.
Exactly, Bhaiya, correct.
चलो बहुत मुबारक हो सारे सोमन्स को.
Thank you.
Yeah, good job, Somans.
Anything on the agenda?
Big thanks to LP Goswami sir and VK Verma sir, because they have mentored the Soma House that well.
Yeah.
Oh.
To win it virtually?
I think
Yeah, they also helped them to click.
I think Sonam ne
they
jab
have
2 lakh
nurtured over
announced
the years.
I thought they helped you in tracking the code.
2 lakh point announce Indra वालों ने सोचा जीत गए थे, didn't realize कि सोमा के 20 lakh हैं.
I think we should have a Soma House party now. It calls for a Soma House party.
I like how Kapoor Singh Bhaiya has put up Soma there.
Kapoor sir, well done.
And just a little bit of red globe.
Preeti, we can announce the last performance, and then once all the formalities are over, then people can be there. At least I will not be scared of the.
Fine.
One last announcement from my end, and a formal note of thanks once again to all of you. Also, if you would go on the portal, and also if you go on the website, we do have a contribution page. While the event, of course, was free of cost, but it did cost. We had sponsors, but we would really love all of you to, go on that page and contribute voluntarily, whatever you may want. It will go directly into ERA's account, and it will only make, ERA a little more, it'll strengthen ERA more. So the portal is on today. On the right-hand side, you have a tab for contributions. Otherwise, if you go on the website, again, we have a contribution page. This page we have made for 2023 celebrations. The idea is to have a huge corpus with all of us, as we enter those grand celebrations. And whatever you contribute will only and only be used for extras coming together and for events like this. So please be generous. And if you've really enjoyed the show, please do go and, kind of contribute there. So thank you very much. Preeti, over to you. We can play the last video, and then we all can hang around and chat as long as we want. And thank you once again.
This is for Soma House.
So
this is for, yes, so this last performance is for Soma House, because the last performance, sorry Preeti, I'm stealing the thunder. This is the performance by Soma and Surya House, the topper and the runners up, right, Shalu?
Right.
We are friends too.
So I'll take over from here, and especially I'll speak out to Anjali like I have been doing for the last 3 days. So Anjali, I'm sure, and everyone else also has joined in. I'm sure each one of us can vividly remember oneself as a small kid when we all came. Our first day in the school.
We had an option.
And here we are all professional with kids and families of our own as well.
Okay, can you all be on mute, please?
But
Can we
we will
request everyone
always
to be on mute,
replace
please?
that feeling that we have spiritually in our heart. The sense of belongingness, that feeling called rightdom, and that's all that matters.
So on this sentiment, let's end the day. But we can all join back, but the formal ending is here with a beautiful song depicting this very emotion of the belongingness to each other, sung by Shalini Dahiya Didi, and supporting her on piano is Sonam Soni. So Di, you can please share your screen and play out the video for everybody.
जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे होठ तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे होठ ला ला la 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 अनहोनी पथ में कांटे लाख बिछाए होने तो फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए अनहोनी पथ में कांटे लाख बिछाए होने तो फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए ये बिरहा ये दूरी दो पल की मजबूरी फिर कोई दिल वाला काहे को घबराए तरम पम धारा जो बहती है मिलके रहती है बहती धारा बच्चा फिर दुनिया से डोल एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल ला 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 ला
Thank you, Shalu.
I think it came out okay. We had to merge the videos, and while being in our homes, we just pulled it off. Thank you so much, Surbi. Thank
Great
you
show,
all.
Shalini and Sonam and everybody. Great show.
Thank you, Priya.
Okay, so on that note, let's end the call. And I have one more person to thank. And very difficult to thank that person, but I would like all of you to give blessings to my daughter. She's been with me all through all the videos. She's kind of edited, helped me up, cleared my shared drive places.
Thank you,
with me.
Tanvi.
And I guess, seriously, I wouldn't have been able to pull this off if it was not for her. Thank you, Sanvi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Beta, very good.
Okay, so on that note, good night and have a great day. Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
bye-bye. Good night. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Goodbye, Zee.